Ek kry amper 5 keer 'n week doodsdreigement vir my familie en ek omring myself met goeie sekuriteit soos hierdie. I like what's happening with Trump. People say that Trump is probably not politically educated to run a country, but I tell you what, he can afford to surround himself with people that are politically educated. He can afford to surround himself with anybody he wants. I think it's a fresh breeze. I like it. I'm not a big fan of the Liberals for various reasons, so I hope he succeeds and I hope it works. If it doesn't, we were all wrong. I had the same meetings with President Zuma twice. I've met him twice. I found him a charming person, a gentleman. We don't think he's very clever. He can't read big lines and he can't read big figures. But we know that clever is not all politicians are Herman Bosma, or Bosma, of course. So we understand that he's a charismatic person and he gets the vote. I think that's important. We fought with this Bible in our hand. Every victory we had, we thought we had God on our side. At Blood River, there were, a couple of hundred of us against 15,000 Zulus, and we beat them because we begged God that if He make us win this war, we will make a Gelofte Dag on 16 December every year. That same Bible we used to justify apartheid. And within 5 years, we used the same Bible to say apartheid was a sin. That is devastating for God and religion and the way we believe.